The CIMCO Scheduler is a production scheduling application that enables you to increase the efficiency and optimize timing in your production by providing a central planning hub for organizing and tracking the work in progress on your shop floor. The scheduler is divided into primarily 3 sections. In the center, we have the timeline, which provides an overview of time, machines, scheduled orders, and other dependencies over several weeks. Orders on the timeline are shown as colored boxes. Each order contains key information about the order, as well as its current status, which can be identified by the job indicators. The left indicator shows the job status, and the right indicator shows the delivery date. All colors are fully customizable. If we take a look at the bottom left, we have the unplanned orders overview section. These orders have not yet been scheduled for production, but can be planned by simply dragging them onto the timeline or by using the automatic scheduling feature. To the bottom right, we have the weekly overview. This section allows you to simply view the current production capacity for weeks in advance. Work orders can be located in the Work Orders tab, which contains all existing orders and associated operations. It is possible to switch between searching for orders and operations. Work orders can be added, edited, and deleted as required, but most notably, work orders can be exported from an external system such as an ERP system and automatically imported into the scheduler. Create a dependency between operations. All dependent operations are planned together, and the dependency is clearly indicated by a connecting line between the operations on the timeline. You can also add an external operation to dependent operations, to which the time required for the external job can be specified. An external operation is marked and displayed on the timeline between the corresponding operations. Views control the layout and what specific information is shown on the timeline. Views are fully customizable and can be used to determine the timeline height and width, shift height, start dates, and much more. This makes it possible for you to view the information that is most important. Adjust or move a job, and the scheduler will provide you with an indication of how close to the delivery date your adjustment would be. An additional dialog will also provide an overview of all other orders and how each one may be affected by your decision. We can also delete jobs, which will prompt you with the Pull-up Jobs feature. This functionality will bring all jobs scheduled on a particular machine forward and automatically reschedule them. The automatic scheduling feature provides you with the possibility of auto-scheduling orders, as well as simulating the start and end dates of orders before they are scheduled and placed on the timeline. Orders can be auto-scheduled one of 2 ways: by placing the new order after the last one scheduled, or by placing the new order further in the future when there is availability. Go ahead and schedule maintenance on a machine. If, for example, a particular machine requires a spindle change, the scheduler in turn will automatically adjust the specific job and reschedule all orders that would be affected as a result. The scheduler is also integrated with MDC. If we take a look at an operator screen, the operator can select a specific order scheduled on the machine, start the job, and the schedule will update live. This has the powerful advantage that production data can also be used in MDC modules, such as live screens, dashboard, reports, and of course, the operator screen. For further information about the CIMCO Scheduler, please contact your local reseller today or visit our website, cimco.com.